I'm Ms. Mishra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today I am going to explain most interesting topic. Topic is exponent and power. First of all, I will explain what is exponent and power. If I will multiply any number in several times, then it is called exponential form. Suppose that a is any number. So if we multiply a in 2 times, a multiply a, then it is called exponential form, and I will write a as this type. Here a is called base and 2 is called exponent or power, and a multiply a is the exponential form, and I will read as a raised to the power 2, a raised to the power 2. Same this type. If I multiply a in 3 times, a multiply a, then I will write a to the power 3 and read as a raised to the power 3. Here a is called base and 3 is called power. So dear student, I hope that it is clear to everyone what is exponent or power. If I write any number, suppose that this is 2, then it means power of 2 is 1. 2 to the power 1. It means we can write 2 as 2 raised to the power 1. Now I will explain if power of any negative integer is odd number. Suppose that -1 is the negative integer. If power of -1 is negative integer, is any odd number, then it will be equal to the negative integer, that is -1. For example, if -2 to the power is 3, then it will be equal to the -2 multiply -2, and it will be equal to the -8. Here -2 is the negative integer and power of negative integer is odd number, so I will find a negative integer. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you that if the power of any negative integer is odd number, then I will find a negative integer. Now, if power of any negative integer is even number, suppose that -1 to power 2, 2 is even number, so I will get a even number, -1 multiply -1, and I will get 1. 1 is the positive, 1 is the positive integer. It means power of any negative integer is even, then I will get a positive integer, and if power of any negative integer is any odd number, then we get a negative integer. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. But if power of any integer is 0, then it will be equal to the 1. Suppose that power of 2 is 0, then it will be equal to 1. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Now I will explain some problems which is given in your exercise 11a. Question number 1 is question number 1. Question number 1 is write the base and power of each of the following. That is 6 to the power 5. Dear student, as you know, just I have already explained that if any number written in the form exponential form or exponent form, then here 5 is called power and 6 is called base. So 6 is the base. Base equals 6 and power equals 5. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now, next question. Write the following exponential form. Question number 2. Question number 2 of exercise 11a. Exercise 11a. We have to write that given in exponential form. First part is x multiply x multiply x multiply x multiply x. We have to write this number in the exponential form. So dear student, as you see here, multiplication of x in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Here power of x is 1, here power of x is 1, 1 and 1. So I will add this power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then power of x will be x to the power 5. So x multiply x multiply x multiply x, written as exponential form, x to the power 5. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now, question number 3. Question number 3 is question 3 of exercise 11a. Question is express each of the following number in exponential form. In question given any number and you have to write this number in exponential form. Question number 3. Second part. Question is 1296. 1296. We have to write this number in exponential form. So dear students, first of all, I will find out prime factorization of 1296. Like this, 1296. Thus it is given that at the ones place is even number. So this is divisible by 2. Because if in any number ones place is 0 or even number, then that number is divisible by 2. So here 1296 is divided by 2. So first of all, I will write 1296 by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, and 2 8 are 16. Now here you see here that 8 is also even number, so 648 also divided by 2. Then 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8. Here you see that 4 is also even number at one's place, so it is also divided by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4. Now it is also one's place is even number, so it is divided by 2. So 2 8 are 16 and 2 1 are 2. Now here is a given. So dear student, as you know that if the sum of digit of any number is divided by 3, then number is divided by 3. So here 8 plus 1, sum of 8 plus 1 equal 9. 9 is divided by 3. 8 means 81 is divided by 3. So 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21, and also 27 is divided by 3. Therefore 3 9 is 27. Now also 3 3 are 9, and 3 1 are 3. So dear student, I will write 1296 in exponential form as this. 1296 equal, here multiplication of 2 is in 4 times, 1 2 3 4. So I will write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and here multiplication of 3 is 4 times, 1 2 3 4. Then I will write 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So this is the exponential form of 1296, that 1296 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you that what is exponent and what is the base and what is the power, and how to write any number in exponential form. Now with the help of these 3 questions, you can solve these 3 questions very easily at our home in the PC copy. Now I'll explain next question another video. Thank you so much.